Today's video is all about how I celebrate Christmas with my family. So stay tuned and let's get scrapbooking!
For this section of creative memories, I will be using some family photos, a pair of scissors, glue, some colored paper, glitter glue, pens and markers, and some Christmas decorations. And I've also got a stapler just in case. Step 1. Create the title card Christmas with my family. Then cut it into a shape and glue this into the scrapbook. Step 2. Cut the family photos into the size you want and add them to the scrapbook. These are some of my favorite memories. Step 3. Now write a short sentence or description above, below, or next to each picture. Christmas morning photos by the tree. We decorate the Christmas tree, wrap gifts and place them under the tree and open them on Christmas morning. We have a big family lunch. Yum! Some more photos by the tree. And finally, some quality time together after lunch. Step 4. Time to decorate. My favorite part of celebrating Christmas is spending quality time with my family.
Ah, that was great. and it brought back so many fun memories. What are some of your favorite memories? Let me know in the comments below. Well, thank you for watching. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to join me next week. Goodbye!